This support video illustrates how to add bank accounts to our accounting templates. The basic accounting, service-based accounting, and trade-based accounting, all three have a bank account section on the setup sheet. So let's just scroll down to the bank account section. As you can see, there's 3 bank accounts provided for, then a petty cash account and a JC account for general ledger journal entries. We cover this in a separate tutorial, how to enter general ledger journal entries. So you can delete any of the ones that you don't need, but if you need more than the 3 and you're using the petty cash, because you can change that one to a B4, for instance, if you're not using it. But if you need to add an additional one, we're going to insert a row. Then I'm just going to copy the B3 row, make it B4, and then change the description to B4. And then you can see the yellow columns require user input and the light blue columns contain a formula. So it's easier to copy that row. So you'll see that everything indicates OK, but the last account is reflected as add. And this is because just the sequence that's used on the TB and balance sheet sheets doesn't distinguish between the different account codes. It just counts the number of bank accounts listed and compares them against the bank account sections. So the last row indicating an add actually means that there's one code less than the total number that's on the TB and balance sheet sheets. But that's very easy to fix. So let's just go to the TB sheet first, scroll down to the bottom of the sheet where all the control accounts are, and you'll see there's B1 to 4. 4 is already there, and the PC code. So we just insert another row. I usually do it above the last one. Doesn't matter where. You just copy one of the others and paste it. And now you'll see the last one is reflected as JC. So we do the same basically on the balance sheet. So we go here, there's the bank accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and PC. So we need one extra one, and we're just going to copy it. And now you'll see there's 4. So if we go back to the setup sheet, everything's okay now. And that's basically how you add a bank code. So you need to add it on the setup sheet in the bank code section, and then you need to add it on the TB sheet at the bottom with where the control accounts are, and then you also need to add it on the balance sheet. So each bank account's listed individually here. If you then go to the bank sheet, you can go and select B4. There won't be any transactions, but you can, it's already there. And also if you go to the income sheet, B4 will be there, and the expenses sheet, B4 will be there. Okay, so it's very easy to add bank accounts. You can view more of these support tutorials in the support section of our YouTube channel.